my channel, or if you're new, my name is Adam in Style, and today is the day that I decided to finally put LED lights. I have been wanting LED lights for literally so long. I don't know why, I just think they're so cool, and finally got them, got the package today, and as soon as I got it, as soon as I saw it, I'm like, I'm canceling everything. Today I'm filming the video. I went on Amazon and I purchased the Day Better LED lights. So, got the package. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I thought the package was gonna be like bigger, like I thought the box would be bigger, but they look so cool. Okay, so I think now is a good time to say that we should unbox this, so cue to that. Okay, we can all agree that the remote is probably the coolest part of the entire thing. So far we got all the way until there. Okay, so we have a little bit of a change in plans. Yesterday, as I was filming, my camera died. So then I went to charge it, and then I looked at the time and realized, Adam, you have a lot of homework. Go do it. So I had to do my homework. But then I was like, you know what? Tomorrow's another day. You can film tomorrow. And I decided to film the rest of it today. So you saw what I put up so far. Now I just have to continue the other section. And yeah, let's cue to that. What do you call it? What do you call it?
Time lapse.
Cue to that time lapse. You have no idea what I am standing on right now to put up these lights. I almost just fell. Okay, so we have to put up these lights. And if you didn't know, there's a tape on them. I feel like I talked about this yesterday, whatever. Okay. So, you peel it. Stuck to my furry jacket. Can you pass me some Sour Patch, please? Oh my god, they're so nice! Yay, finally! Hey guys, they're so nice, I can't with them. So, everything starts over there. Go up here, and then you have those lights. This one strand goes all the way until there. And then the other strand goes all the way there. I am beyond excited. Okay, so if I were to give these a rating out of 10, I would probably give them... Wait a second. This isn't right. That is right. Okay, so if I were to rate these out of 10, I would definitely give them a 10 out of 10. Because I'm so excited to use them, and they're really so cool, and I love them so much. And if you want to purchase these, I'll leave the link down below. These are really affordable, they're $30. And if you do end up getting them, then definitely comment down below or let me know. And yeah. So, okay, so I think that's it for this video. I had so much fun. Love these lights so much. I'm so excited. I'm gonna set that 10,000 times. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down below in the description. And obviously, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And also one last thing before I end this video. The next video I'll be uploading is gonna be my Black Friday haul. So if you wanna see what I got last year, I'll put the link down below. Make sure to watch it. And I'm so excited. Future is great. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!